In this video, I will guide you how to create the Proforma invoice. To create the Proforma invoice, go to Sales, Proforma Invoice, select the customer, select the salesman if any, select the hospital sales. If yes, select Y, select the product name here, Dolo 650. Here we can see the available stock, PTR, MRP, scheme percentage, tax PTR, expiry date, and sales margin. By clicking, we can select the product. Here we can put the quantity, select another product, Tilwas Vita 25, 3 quantity. Like that, we can select the multiple product and press on F1 to create the entry. Document number has been created as S422-11. Click on confirm to print or cancel. Go to the sales order to invoice. To convert Proforma invoice to sales invoice, select Proforma invoice. Here we can get the invoice detail. Mark the entry and process. And here we can check the detail. Mark and process by F9. Here we can download the entry in Excel, or we can print the same from here. Otherwise, we can send the email to the customer directly. This is the document number. The same we can find in the sales invoice search option. To search the invoice, go to the sales invoice and search here. This is the invoice which we have created now. Thank you.